So hi guys, these are the chilies we grew back in January and now we're the first week of April. The two different varieties we grew, Jacob's Coat and Patio Fire. And just to show you with a tennis ball how big they've grown for size reference. Can you see? So there we are. Now they're both supposed to be dwarf type. This definitely looks like dwarf type, but this one I would say more sort of hybrid, maybe in between. That's grown to about 18 to 20 inches tall. Now they need to go into the final pot. For this one, both plants have also now started to have little flower buds coming through. We are going to repot firstly the Jacob's Coat. Same again, we've got little flower buds right in there. Can you see that? Absolutely beautiful plant. So this one's final pot is definitely this one. This one I'm not sure. I'm going to put it in for now in a pot this size, but we'll see how it grows and develops. Both plants are starting to give side shoots now, so they're going to start to get really bushy, and we'll see how that comes along. So to repot, as before, similar, fill up portion, make sure it's the right height there. We could do with a little bit more in there. If you overfill this and then you find that doesn't fit, you can always take some soil out. So tip it upside down, squeeze it, get that out there. Look at that, lovely. So these were watered about 24 hours ago. A lovely, lovely root system. Put that in there, nice height, perfect, roughly in the middle. And just fill all around with soil. So they should be start developing fruits very soon. Now the problem we have here in the UK is the outside temperature is still very cold and these cannot go straight out or they will die. It's too much of a shock. So we have to get them climatized. So what I'm going to do is still leave them indoors in the windowsill, but overnight leave the window open. So they slowly get sort of in between temperature, and then when they do go outside, keep an eye on the weather regularly. Any low nighttime temperature, bring them in and keep them near a window. Leave the window open so they get a little bit more protection. There we are. So lovely, lovely plant, beautiful. Give it water gently on top or soak it in some water in there for a couple of hours and then take them out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to see when we come to fruit picking, don't forget to turn your notification on, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and it will really help us out, and then obviously you don't miss any videos as well in the future. Until next time, take care, bye for now.